Many people think that studying geography is just about creating maps or learning about the world's capital cities, but it's so much more than that. My name's Amy Prendergast and I'm a Senior Lecturer and DECRA Fellow in the School of Geography in the Faculty of Science. So geography is incredibly diverse, but at its heart it's about understanding our world and our place within it. And so in the field of geography, we look at the surface of the Earth and the interactions across the surface of the Earth. And this is necessarily interdisciplinary, so it involves aspects of both physical science and social science. In the School of Geography, we study urban, rural, built and natural environments, and we ask questions about how these environments came to be and why they're the way they are. Our research and teaching make important contributions to developing more just societies and more sustainable environments. You should choose to study geography if you have an interest in the world and its people. Geographers get to work on some of the world's most pressing and interesting problems, such as climate change, and you get to look at these problems from multiple perspectives. So by studying geography, you get to learn about the skills and conceptual frameworks that you need to understand the cultural and physical processes that shape our world. What I also really like about geography is the fact that it's really practical, and so you get to do both field work and lab work, and you get to explore some of the most diverse and interesting regions of the globe. In your first year of geography in the Bachelor of Science, there are various subjects that you can take which involve geography. So you get to learn both the physical and the social aspects involved in various social ecological crises. Students get to learn about the main drivers, the social and physical drivers of things like hunger, famine and other related crises. Because geography is really a field-based discipline, the skills that you'll learn through doing a geography major will enable you to gain hands-on experience of the landscapes, cultures and politics that define these fascinating regions. Geographers look at the world around them and ask, what's going on? And then they ask, how can we make it better? So the skills that you will gain by studying geography will be applicable to a wide variety of professions. So for example, with climate change, geographers can actually reconstruct the climate changes of the past in order to provide a context for understanding human-induced climate change. But then we can look at how humans are adapting to these climate changes in the past, in the present and into the future through using a more social science lens. By completing a major in geography, students will be able to develop critical intellectual skills, transferable professional skills, as well as a sense of public responsibility. Career opportunities after a geography major include research, teaching, environmental consultancies, government. So many of our researchers and teachers in the School of Geography are working on some of the most pressing issues in today's world, and these include climate change, sustainability, inequality, and the linkages between these aspects. Geography tackles these challenges by looking at these problems in a variety of different ways from a variety of different angles.